Okay, continuing with the project, we're shaping the nose right now, getting the nose in shape right here. There we go. See what we're doing? See that? Okay, we're going to take a little wood off, and here, this nose is still a little bit too big. I'm going to come back a little bit more with that. There we go. Okay. Now, let me kind of round that off a little bit. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to come up underneath the nose, and we're going to draw our mustache. Okay? We're going to draw our mustache. Just like that. See that? Try to make that clear. There you go. Now, we're going to take the mustache and we're going to move the knife on the outside of the mustache. The outside just like this. The outside just like this. And the outside just like this. We just cut into it. And then you take your knife and you slowly remove the outside of the mustache. Or it's part of the beard actually. But you just take your knife, you come in, you do straight cuts, and you remove that part of the mustache, see? Let's do it again. Just very slowly now, don't get in a hurry. Just start removing the wood. See how that comes off there? And the same thing here. You may have to go back. There you go. See? And so we're making our mustache. Okay? Now you see that? And you can make your mustache as deep as you want it or as shallow as you want it. It doesn't really matter. Now, there's your mustache. There you go. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this beard curve a little bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start taking wood off this area like this. In other words, I'm going to have the mustache kind of, we're going to bring it down, as we say in here. We're going to bring it down like this, but we're going to bring it also where it curves over, just like this. See like that? See what we're doing? Now, I'm going to put a see how I'm doing that? In other words, I'm kind of curving that beard over at the bottom here is what I'm doing from all sides. See that? See that? See that? I'm just sort of kind of coming over like that with it, in other words. Let me bring this down. See, kind of bringing it to a kind of a point type thing here. See what we're doing? See that? That's all. Now you don't have to do that. I like to do things like that. I like to kind of bring it to a point in here. Give it a little bit of a swing to it, a little shape to it, in other words. To a sort of like a little point, in other words, as we go. There we go. See? That's all. You don't have to do that, but I like to do it. Okay. Now, okay, we've got that done. Now, what we want to do is work on the hat up here a little bit, okay? So, what I'm going to do with this hat is the same thing. I'm going to kind of bring this over a little bit where this curves a little bit. In other words, the hat, I'm going to kind of come in here and I'm going to cut away into this area where this hat kind of, see what I'm saying? Kind of just folds over right here. I'll do the same thing. Come in the back here. See that? See what I'm saying? Where it kind of folds over like that.